Hi and welcome to our review of the Singer Heavy Duty 4452 sewing machine. So this is a good starter machine. So if you're just starting out or even upgrading from a more basic machine, then you're going to find this machine is really user-friendly. It's a great machine for your craft business or for when you're just going to be starting to learn how to sew. And this is their heavy duty sewing machine, so it's going to stitch most heavy fabrics with ease. It has a stainless steel bed plate and metal frame, so that's going to help you with the smooth sewing of heavier fabrics. It's going to go through everything from canvas to cotton. And if you're going to be sewing thicker fabric, like a heavier canvas, then do make sure that your tension is set for the right fabric to avoid bunching. And that's all in the manual that comes with the machine. And this machine does have an easy threading system, so all you need to do is follow the threading path that's printed right on the machine, and that's going to get your needle threaded for you. This comes with 32 built-in stitches, and that's enough stitches to get you started without being too overwhelming if you're just a beginner. So it's got basic, decorative, a buttonhole, and stretch. And the built-in stretch stitches, these are what you're going to be using for any elastic or stretchy fabric. You know how some machines won't sew through a fabric that's really stretchy, like spandex blends, very easily? Well, this one has a special setting just for fabrics that stretch. Now, what customers are liking about this machine is that it's going to sew over 1,000 stitches per minute, so your projects can be sewn quite quickly. And that's especially helpful if you're making something like a quilt or a larger project that you're working on. Okay, for the sewing feet, it's got the walking foot, and that's what's used for when you're working with layers of fabric, a non-stick foot for vinyl or leather, all-purpose foot, a zipper foot, buttonhole, and a button foot. And then for some helpful extras, this machine has a top-load bobbin, so you just set it in right there super easily, and the bobbin cover is also see-through, so you can kind of see what's going on in there. We hope this helped you out. Thanks for watching!